My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making a pumpkin smoothie bowl. You heard me right, a pumpkin smoothie bowl. You know, it's fall, and we are in the season of pumpkin. So, why don't we make our pumpkin smoothie bowl? Here are our ingredients for our brunch. Pumpkin bread has vitamins A, B1, B6, C, copper, calcium, potassium, folate, magnesium, manganese, and fiber. Almond milk, A, D, E, calcium, honey, calcium, manganese, niacin, pantothenic acid, and potassium. Frozen Greek yogurt, B12, calcium, selenium. So I'm gonna add a little milk, just a little, like a splash of almond milk. Like literally a splash. Okay. This is some pumpkin baby food. I figured it'd be more pure. We got the baby version. So we have some pumpkin baby food here. We have some Greek yogurt that I had froze. Okay. Speaking of which, just add a little bit of maple syrup here. That's about a tablespoon. Okay. And I want to get some more pumpkin, but I'll come back to that. Let me get one teaspoon of vanilla. Let's get into some of our dry here. Cinnamon. So we're gonna put a teaspoon. I'm eyeballing it. A little nutmeg. A dash. And like ginger would be another teaspoon. Ginger is really good for digestion, if you didn't know. Okay. And I would like to add some more pumpkin puree here. So I'm gonna add some honey to this. 3 drizzles. Well, maybe 3.5 because none of this other stuff has sugar in it, so. Okay. And we're gonna add our collagen in here. And that's it. Smoothie, here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna start to make my smoothie bowl. So I already have some apple butter, and I'm gonna go this way. My drizzle of my apple butter, some more drizzle. More apple butter drizzle. It's kind of thick. Okay, and then I'm gonna put my apricot here, and then my granola. bit of fruit here. Okay, and granola. This has our pumpkin seeds and flaxseed. This granola. See the nice green pumpkin seeds? So. Okay. A little bit of drizzle, a little bit of honey. Drizzle on it. Okay. Look at our pumpkin smoothie bowl. Oh, so good. We put some collagen in it today to get some of that good healthy stuff for our nails, our skin, and our hair, and our joints. And we garnished it with some granola with pumpkin seeds and flax seeds, and drizzle a little honey on it. And we have some pumpkin butter. Oh, delish. And some dried apricots. Well, look at our smoothie bowl made with pumpkin. You know, not only is pumpkin in for the season, but it truly is really good for you. If you have pets, like a dog, it's really good if you have a dog for them to eat. So it's loaded with lots of nutrients, which I told you before when we did our vitamin content. So let's dig in. Let's have our smoothie bowl. Pumpkin smoothie bowl. Wow. Tastes very pumpkin-y, but it's delicious. The pumpkin butter. This one's from Trader Joe's. Not sponsored, but it has a nice little tang to it with the lemon that's in it. Really good. The spice of the cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. Definitely taste that coming through. Of course, the wonderful dried apricots. This is really good. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. I thank you again for hanging out with me today. If this is your first time joining us, welcome, welcome, welcome. Well, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Subscribe. You'll enjoy it. And share this channel with your family and friends. They will thank you for it. And hit that bell notification so you can know every time we upload a new video. Again, I thank you for hanging out with me today and eating virtually. Comment below. We do answer. I love you guys. Thank you again.